Hello my dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying our online classes. So as you know that we have already completed our final term syllabus. So now we need to recapitulate the lessons. What are the lessons we have learned earlier? That lessons we will recapitulate. So first, we will start with conversion. Means here I have shown the conversion related to length, related to weight or mass, related to time, related to rupees and paise. So these 4 chapters conversion I have shown here. Mainly you have to follow the procedure here. How I am doing it, and you have to follow the process. Before starting the conversion, let us recapitulate that units, what we have learned related to length, what we have learned related to mass, what we have learned related to time, and what we have learned related to rupees and paise. So from start with length, the standard unit of length is meter. The standard unit of length is meter. So here we can see few relationships I have shown here. 1 kilometer equals to how many meter? 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 meter equals to how many centimeter? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeter? 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. And 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. These are few important relationships related to length. So we have to remember this. And next, let us discuss on mass. We have learned in Who is Heavier chapter that what is mass and what is the unit. What is the standard unit of mass? The standard unit of mass is kg, kilogram. So here we have to learn these rules. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. These are the rules we need to learn. Next, time. In times chapter, we have learned so many units like hour, minute, second. But the standard unit is second. So 1 hour equals to 60 minutes equals to 3600 seconds. 1 year equals to 365 days. So here 1 year equals to 365 days I have written. That means when we will solve the problem, that time we have to take it like 1 year equals to 365 days. But when it is specifically written that 1 leap year equals to how many days, that time you have to write the appropriate one. That 1 leap year equals to this means 366 days, and 1 non-leap year equals to 365 days. Here it is written 1 year equals to 365 days. That means we will use it in the problem. 1 month equals to 30 days. 1 week equals to 7 days. 1 year equals to 12 months. 1 day equals to 24 hours, and 1 year equals to 52 weeks. And next it is rupees and paise. You know the relationship very well, that is 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So these are the important relations. So let's start with our first conversion. Before starting the conversion, I need to tell you something, that you have to read the question very carefully. Means how it is written, what is written in the question, you have to write that only. You are writing if you write in place of 3 5, then your answer will be wrong. If your procedure is right, then also we cannot give you any marks. So be careful. Whenever you are reading the question, read it twice, and whenever you are writing the answers also, means whenever you are writing the numbers also, just check twice. Okay, so let's start our conversion. 3 kilometer 580 meter into meter. 3 kilometer 580 meter into meter. That means kilometer is the bigger one. We have to come to the unit meter. So we have to convert here from kilometer to meter. We have to convert here from kilometer to meter. So kilometer is the bigger one and meter is the smaller one. So when we will change or convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply. When we will change bigger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply. See, I have written in the last by giving the star mark. You need to remember this. So what we will apply? We will apply the relationship among the units. What units are related in this question? So kilometer and meter is there. So we need to find out the relationship. What is the relationship between them? The relationship is 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So we know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Now just put the question here. 3 kilometer 580 meter. Now separate the part and then just convert kilometer part, and then so after multiplying 3 into 1000, I have got 3000 meter plus 580 meter. Now we have to add it. After adding, I have got 3580 meter. So in this way you can do the conversion. So check the answer. Next conversion, 14,568 meter to kilometer and meter. So here we need to convert meter to kilometer, means smaller to bigger. So when you are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, what you have to do? You have to divide. Now we need to find out the relationship between meter and kilometer. So what is the relationship between meter and kilometer? You know that 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, so we know that 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. Now just put the numbers and twice you can check the numbers. What you have written, that is right or wrong. So 14,568 meter, and I have written it, and after that what I have done, after that I have converted. See the next second line. In the second line the unit is changed because I have divided it. So when you are doing the division, that time you will change the unit, kilometer. So 14,568 divided by 1000 kimi. I have written kimi here, and I have written the answer also, but you need to find out the answer below of the question, means you have to show the division also. Here I have shown it in the right side. See the division. I have to divide 14,568 by 1000. So what I have done here? So 1000 ones are 1000, then subtract, then 456 I have got, and then I have borrowed, bring down the next number 8, and after that 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, means 4 into 1000, 4000, and after subtraction 568 will be left, means remainder. So the remainder part is meter and the quotient part is kilometer. So the answer is 14 kilometer 568 meter, and in the yellow box I have written the process. Now let us discuss conversion. Third question, 1 kg 234 gram into gram. So here we need to convert kg to gram. Kg is the bigger unit, gram is the smaller unit. So what we have to do? In the first question I have shown to you that we have to multiply. So we know that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram, because we need to find out the relationship between kg and gram, and so I have got 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. After that 1 kg 234 gram, 1 kg plus 234 gram, and then equals to 1 into 1000 gram plus 234 gram, then 1000 gram plus 234 gram, that is equals to 1234 gram. So this is the answer. So in this way you have to convert. Next conversion, 4567 milligram into gram and milligram. You know that milligram is the smaller unit and gram is the bigger unit. So we have to convert milligram to gram. That means smaller to bigger. So when we have to convert smaller to bigger unit, that time we have to divide. So when you are dividing, we know that 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. So here also we have to divide 4567 by 1000. So how I have done this, just look at the answer. I have divided that 4567 mg by 1000, then I have got 4 gram in the quotient and 567 in the remainder. So this is our answer, 4 gram 567 milligram. So check the process. Convert 4 minute 56 second into second. So minute second into second, that means here also we have to convert bigger unit to smaller unit. Minute is the bigger unit, second is the smaller unit, so we have to convert it. 1 minute equals to how many second? You know that 1 minute equals to 60 second. So we know that 1 minute equals to 60 second. Now 4 minute 56 second equals to 4 minute plus 56 second. Separate first, then convert, then multiply, then add. So the rule is, when you are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, first separate, then convert, then multiply, then add. So after adding, I have got this for 296 second. Just check the answer whether it is right or wrong. So in this way you can now convert 1060 paise into rupees and paise. We know that 100 paise equals to 1 rupee. So now 1600 paise. Here we need to convert paise to rupees and paise. That means paise to rupees. That means smaller unit to bigger unit. So we have to divide. So just check it. I have divided it in the side. You have to show the division also. So how I have divided 1000, we have to divide it by 100. So 1 ones means 100, and then subtract, then bring down the 0, next number 0, then we have to multiply it by 0. 100 into 0 equals to 0, then 60. So the answer is 10 rupees 60 paise. Many of you have done wrong in this type of question, so check the division properly. How I have done the how I have shown the division, you just, now this is your homework. You can download the worksheet from final term revision worksheet 2 from school website also. I will upload it, and you will download the worksheet also from there, or you can check the question. 10 questions are there, you have to practice it. So till then, bye.